Today we have the 2021 Ford Puma. This vehicle was done just under 68,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control. On our screen we can access navigation, mobile apps and Bluetooth, full pass connect, Apple and Android CarPlay and valet mode. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with rear park pilot. Just below we have our AC, and if we press our drive mode, we can switch between our different driving modes.